Yes, y'all, this is the look. Let me show y'all a little preview of my outfit.
I just saw a bad little John. Exercising, baby, this a peel run. Cougar bitch, fuck her, make her feel young. Got a
It's Carnival. What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacey, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello. And if you're a returning subscriber, what's up? Alright, y'all, so we're gonna get right into this video. You guys are gonna get ready with me to go to Carnival. I am so freaking excited, guys. Like, I'm gonna do my makeup with you guys. It's not gonna be a tutorial, but I will link down below the products that I used in this video. Hold on one second. Okay, so I went to Carnival, like, I want to say about 2 years ago, and I loved it. I had fun. I didn't even drink. Like, I was sober as hell, just having a damn blast. But anyways, this year I decided that I didn't want to go to Carnival. Don't mind my nails, I have to paint my nails, which thank you guys for reminding me. So anyways, like I was saying, I went to Carnival and I had like a lot of fun, but this year I didn't think I wanted to go to Carnival just due to the fact of like COVID and stuff. I didn't want to get COVID, and you know, I was just like kind of scared to go to Carnival. But then I had to realize, like, you know what, God's gonna protect me, and they're taking precaution this year with having people, you know, show their negative results for COVID. So I'm like, you know what, it is what it is. I was like pretty sure I was not gonna go to Carnival. Yesterday, if you guys know, the day before Carnival, Saturday, is called Juvias. So people started getting ready to go to Juvias, and I'm like, they look so cute. They look like they're having so much fun. I'm on people's close friends and they're like getting drunk. And I'm like, bitch, I want to do that too. Like, I want to get drunk and I want to have fun and, like, you know, all that good stuff. So I was just like, yeah, I want to go to Carnival. But I felt bad because I felt like it was too late to get a ticket, and I just probably wasn't gonna be able to go with anyone. And like the girl that wanted me to go with her already asked me, and it's like I told her no like so many freaking times. So it's like, now you're waiting the day before Carnival to say you want to go. So anyways, I made a post on Instagram. I was like, I'm so sad, I wanted to go to Carnival, and I tagged her and I was like, have fun for me. And she was like, you can still go, I bought you a ticket. Like, I just thought you didn't want to go anymore. And I'm like, bro, what? This girl bought me a freaking ticket. Y'all, mind my face, it is gonna look like super white, but it's so my makeup can last all day. That is the goal. But yeah, so I'm like, this is like freaking perfect. So literally, I kid y'all not, I made up my mind at 8:45, and I literally got out of my bed and I went to go get freaking stuff for my outfit. Like, I literally went to go to the hair store, I went to Walmart, and I went to like a adult store, a sex store, to literally go get shit to design my outfit. Like, is that serious? So last night I was up till 4 o'clock in the morning designing my outfit, and my outfit's cute. Next year is when I'm definitely gonna do like the whole you know, feathers and all of that. But this year I did this outfit in a few hours, so, but I think it came out very, very nice for like such a last minute outfit. I'm so excited to show you guys what it looks like. So if you're not island, let me explain to you what Carnival is and what we do at Carnival and what y'all gonna see in my video. So today you guys are just getting a get ready with me, and I'll probably insert a few clips from my vlog, but not too much, because I'm actually gonna do a full vlog video for you guys, so you guys can like really come with me and y'all could turn up with me and y'all could party with me. So let me tell you guys what goes down at Carnival. Carnival is a big location, and we do it in Miami. It's a big location in Miami, and it's not only for island people, but it is like an island kind of thing. You have people from Jamaica, Barbados, Trinidad. You have people from Haiti. You have people from Puerto Rico. Like, you have people just all across the globe that end up coming, you know, to South Florida, or even if they don't come to South Florida, they just live here. We all like get together. Everybody's wearing their flags and we dress up. So it's basically a very big parade that goes on, And in the parade you have beautiful women, and they're in these beautiful colorful outfits with feathers and makeup and diamonds. It's just so freaking pretty, and they play music and everybody's whining and everyone's dancing and we all drink. Y'all, I talk about a commercial. It's super fun and it's family friendly. Like, it's not old 21 and up. There, Jamaican food, all type of foods, like from the over in the Caribbean. It's like so lit, and there's like different areas with like DJs, and like it's like partying, and you know, everybody's just having a good time, everybody's just having fun, everybody is just celebrating, you know. And if you're going to Carnival, or you know, you're doing anything, you're gonna be drinking, make sure you hydrate. I've been drinking water like crazy. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and let the concealer dry down and just start on my eyebrows a little bit. We trying to move fast because we got places to go. So let me go ahead and do my brows. I like to go in with my foundation brush just to blend out my concealer. I definitely like to let the under eye set. Today we're going for that full coverage. I mean, I think what's so fun about Carnival, what I'm like so excited, I'm just excited about a lot of things. I feel like I haven't partied, you know, in a long time, especially since COVID. I literally just kind of stay home. I don't really like go to parties like how I used to, and so I'm really excited to just party and just have fun and just, you know, just have a blast, just live life. You know, I'm in my 20s, that's what you're supposed to do. So I'm excited for that. I'm also very excited for eating good food. I'm excited to drink. Y'all know I'm 21, so it's only right. It's literally only right. So I'm excited to drink. I'm excited to do my makeup. Like, one thing about Carnival is, you know, it's not like, oh, natural makeup. You literally get to do your makeup so beautiful, like so colorful, so bright. You want to put diamonds, you want to put glitter, you want to put whatever you want. You could do that. Like, I think that's so awesome. I'm taking this brush and I like to blend out the edges of my concealer with my foundation brush. It just kind of helps with making everything flow and look good. So we're gonna do a nice colorful Carnival glam. We're gonna put diamonds, we're gonna have everything, girl. All right, y'all, I'm gonna come back after everything is blended out. Okay, be right back. I'm gonna be right back, y'all. Alrighty, guys, so I did go ahead and blend everything out. I'm going to set my face. Y'all, I'm sorry, my makeup is like low-key everywhere right now because I did a makeup look yesterday, and before I could even clean up, I realized I wanted to go to Carnival. So let me go ahead. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my my Laura Mercier's translucent setting powder, and we are going to set this face. Now, if you're getting ready to go anywhere like Carnival, or you know, you're going to any party, well, I'm gonna drop a tutorial on how to make sure your makeup lasts all day or as long as it can last, because you don't want to do like you know, like a hydrating like kind of makeup look, and then I'm gonna just tap off the excess on the brush, and I'm just gonna brush that over my brows because we want even the brows to last. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna move back to my brows. Okay, so this is what the brows look like. I'm feeling them. They're very dark, but I know it's gonna look good with the look. So let's go ahead and move on to shadows. All right, so I'm gonna go in with this palette. This palette was only $20. It's the Beauty Bay's Bright palette. I'm gonna take this light pink right here called Tutu. We're gonna pack that on to our crease, and we are just going to use patting motions. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Zulu palette, and this is from Juvias Place, the Zulu palette, and I'm going to take that hot pink shade, and we are just going to pat that right on top of the lid. And it's okay if it's not too perfect, because mine is definitely not perfect right now, but it's okay because like this is just the color that's going to be on the eye. So now I'm going to go back in, and I'm just going to do like kind of like circular motions and just sweep that lighter pink, the Tutu color from the Beauty Bay palette, and we're just going to sweep that up and just kind of, you know, blend those two colors together. Oh my gosh, like this shadow looks kind of horrible. Like, not even kinda, it looks very horrible, but it's okay. We can just try to make it seem like it's the vibes that we're going for. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to take my black liner and I'm gonna line my waterline. I'm excited to drink, y'all. I wanna get drunk. I'm just taking the pink from the Zulu palette, that hot pink, and I'm just like smoking out my bottom lash line. I'm gonna do a wing liner. I'm gonna do a black wing liner, and then I'm gonna also do a pink line on top of that. So let me go ahead and do that. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the other liner off camera. I just finished the liner off camera, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of glue right in like the corner of my eye. I will link the pink glitter that I'm using down below for anyone that wants to know. But I'm just gonna pat on some pink glitter right in the corner of the eye. Okay, so let me show you guys. This is what the eye is looking like. Let me focus. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eye off camera. Okay, so these lashes are from Omega Cosmetics, and as you guys can see, it is pink and black, and I'm so excited to put these on today. So now I'm gonna move on to putting on the diamonds on my face. So let me show you guys. I actually got this from my beauty supply store. We're gonna go ahead and put this on. So as you guys see, I put the diamonds on, and y'all gonna come with me to take out my hair. Y'all, let me tell y'all, I started playing some soca music and I had gotten into a fucking zone. Like, I was just doing my makeup, dancing, singing. Like, I'm supposed to be talking to y'all, but I'm in love with my look right now. Yeah, so let me go ahead and finish taking out my hair on camera with you guys. So let me take this out. I'm super excited. I can't wait to drink. We're gonna take some pictures. We're gonna shake our booties. We gonna eat good. We gonna hear good music. We're gonna be around Caribbeans, island people, lit people, party people, drunk people. Like, we about to be drunk people. Alright, so this is what the curls look like. Let me loosen them up. I'm not going to loosen them too much because I want to retain that curl. Yes, y'all, this is the look. Let me show y'all a little preview of my outfit. Y'all, I did this at like 2 o'clock in the morning. So this is what it looks like. Giving very much vibes. I'm not trying to fall. This is the bottom. This is the bottoms. I look crazy, but I have pink fishnets on. And I'm gonna show y'all my outfit a little later. Show y'all a full look of everything. So if you guys want to see how I turn up, how me and my friends get lit, what drunk party bitches want to look like, make sure y'all tap into my vlog. I don't know, I think the vlog is gonna be coming up next, so subscribe to my channel, turn my post notifications on so you guys can see my vlog. I'm out of here. I'm about to go turn up for me. I'm about to go turn up for you. We litty. I love you guys, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye guys.